Hello everyone. What if your website built itself from a single prompt? Meet Cloud My Site Genie, where you can type what you want and get a full designed website. Then we can tweak everything with an easy drag and drop builder or just keep prompting. And I'll show you all this in this quick demo, how simple it is for you to get your custom website in just a few prompts. And after that, you have the full flexibility to tweak it and publish it to your liking. Choose your images and go for it. But before we get started, thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. It really helps out the channel. And also check out cloudmysite.com. And let's get started. So first thing, come to cloudmysite.com and click to the Genie AI. And this is where you will see two options, Genie website, Genie logo. Click on Genie website. You will see the agent asking you what you can do, how you can have your beautiful websites. And if required, you can also look into these templates. But first you can get started with just the business name. And here I will give Bob's Plumbing. And you can have it for any other business. And what type of industry? I'll choose plumbing. And what is your business slogan or tagline? I'll just mention where water leakage is stopped. And you can enter the brand colors and font. I'll choose red. And business slogan or tagline. And would you like to add further details to personalize your website? Enter custom homepage, content, hero headline, subheading. You can mention contact page. Contact at bobplumbing.com. Phone. It will be any number I'm putting. Address, some address. And this needs to be comma separated. And you can also enter if any Facebook, Instagram, contact email, your profile domain you have. And I'll just mention facebook.com/bobplumbing. And now, after entering all the prompt, you will be routed to, you can always choose the paid option. But if you just want to have the free website, then you can come to the Dreamweaver and click Start Free. You will get your option, the AI website generation. You can bring your own logo, because with the paid one, you can get a free logo. The custom favicon as well, you can bring your own favicon. With the free one, you get a free SSL certificate, free content delivery network, weekly backups, and real-time website updates as well, and also caching. But if you go with Visionary, you will be able to create your own logo, have the domain, customer forms, and apart from this, website security as well. I just choose for this, Start Free. Or you can create an account form. This is what you have chosen. And you get full lifetime access of your website. And now, click Generate Website. Genie will update your pages and start creating your website. You'll be getting 5 or 6 website pages, and you can always go and add later. So after a few minutes, we can see the pages are created and your website is ready to be viewed. You can click here to view the website, or also you can go to the dashboard where you can edit your website and customize it. But let's check out the generated website. This is your generated website, a plumbing services, and your client and everything. In a few minutes, you have your home, you have your about, you have the contact page, and all these are working links with the address you had provided and information that is there. The services, all this JavaScript working, and your website ready to go in just a few minutes. I would have got an email. This is the email received that your website has been created. This is your website URL. And you can customize your website by coming to the dashboard and click on it. And you also get a free domain which has the ending with cloudmysite.net. And if you want, you can always upgrade to a paid package to get a free domain included with it. We have thousands of top-level domains available at the lowest industry cost. Everything in poweredmysite.com. I have the website. I know it's ready, but I wanted to customize it as well. So let's check out the dashboard. This is the dashboard you can see where I can click here. I can see my profile and I can see the website total web pages plan as well. And this is my total dashboard for the number of packages I have, where we have business email for the number of domains you have purchased, any virtual private server hosting you have purchased, if you have any custom development, because a lot of enterprises customers want to do custom development instead of a AI-generated website, which is where we help them out. And if you have a website hosting plan, which can be on WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, it will show all in one dashboard. You can also come to the left where you have all these options here. And this is the website you can see, which has web pages, and you will see your web details here. You can always add the domain, upgrade, like website builder. I can always choose another favicon because this is the favicon I have. This top left one on your browser is called a favicon because a lot of times where people are visiting your website, they may have multiple tabs open. You want to have a favicon that this was Bob's Plumbing website that I was on. So it's a little bit of branding information, but you come to the website builder and click edit. And this is where you will see the pages. It is giving 3 options. A lot of web pages will have a form. And if you want to have the user submit the information and you be notified via email, you can configure the form. I don't need to configure the form because I don't have any form in about. I'll click continue without form. This is the blocks panel on the right side. The Tile Manager will customize the components. The publish button, any changes you do, you can publish it to make your site live. You can also save it because it could be that you want to do further changes but don't want these changes published. You may want to review with a team member. This is the changes I'm doing. So you can also save it. You can import any code you want in your component. If you do a change, you want to undo the change or redo the change, you can click this option. This is for undo. The earlier one was for redo. You can delete the entire editor by clicking this button. To add additional sections or even a new page using AI, you can just enter the prompt and a new page will be created for you. You can view your website live by clicking. This is the help additional information, and you can bring this pop-up guide back. You'll go back to the previous page. Here you can choose from the other pages there. Now with the website helper done, let's see what we can edit. Now we have all these options here. I want to change the story. Click on this section here. And instead of the drag and drop, we took out all that headache. And if you want, you can do that. We have that option. You can click on Style Manager. You can change your fonts. You can make it bigger, smaller. You can do all that. But a lot of the customers that we have spoken with, they said, I don't want to do all that. All I want is that I could just give the information in my prompt. And this is what that instead of like from 1995, I want to show from 1950 because I'm a 75-year-old organization. So this is the prompt where what I'm saying is start from 1950. We started as a 1 store and 1960 we did 10 and 2025 we have added around 100 locations. Add timeline with a gap of and make it descriptive so that the AI can understand that this is exactly what you're looking for. The more description you add, the better your information will be. And also I want to have this website responsive. So I'll say ensure the website is responsive. Now let's hit submit. Now once this is done, we should see the section is updated with your contents. It's a lifetime free setup. So this is the updated component where you can see it updated from 1950, 1960. It added the relevant sections. I can do a underline. It will underline it. I can provide a background color. This is what I can always click and increase the width of the layout because I wanted to occupy full space instead of a small one. I think this should be fine. And I don't want to publish it because I may want to do a few more changes. So I can just click save and it will not be updated in your website. So if I come to your about page, the page is going to look with 1995. It's not going to change. But now if I publish it, so this is your changes are on the live website. They are updated. You can see this is the 1950 with the color you had chosen and the text you have also added. Now this is a fully functioning responsive website. With responsive, what we mean is this is mobile website, and you can see the menu here. It's properly showing in the mobile as well, because majority of the customers nowadays use mobile to view a website. So for image, I can choose background and click on images, suggest search. And you can upload your own image. If you have your own image, just upload it. Just double click on this and you will be able to upload your image. But I'll just search from a repository and I will have the image set up and you can publish it. If I publish, it has published, but it may take a few minutes for the changes to be propagated. But let's check out the change. So this is our website with the image showing up as we had done in the website editor. We can always make a new page, do by clicking new page. Say I want to make a new page of testimonials. And create. Click edit. I don't want a form for this. And for the form, you need to upgrade to a paid version. I will just see a blank page with the header and footer already populated for us. This is where I can always click with edit section with AI, or I can click here as well and add a section with AI. And I want to say show around 3 or 6 testimonials using card layout and generic icons with customers praising Bob's plumbing. Make the gray layout modern with and write nice colors. Ensure the layout is responsive and can always choose below this section. So click submit. We had mentioned below this headings text, and I can always remove this heading text with delete this. So it is moved up. This is where you see it generated all these 6 cards automatically. I can keep adding sections if I want. It published as well. Publish a new page testimonial. This is where we can see the testimonials. If I click, it will show up along with here. This is the, and if it will be broadly responsive as well. And you see I can change it. I can make it to my discretion. It's just a few entering. You don't need any technical skills. And you can have your website up and running in a quick time. In case you run into any technical issues, something you have blocked, you can go back and open a support case by clicking here. So you can provide your product as well as information. And even in a free lifetime one, you will get support. You can answer, put your issue. If you have any issues in a menu or something, a friendly support team is always there to help you out. Now drop in a comment if you have any other questions. But go check out cloudmysite.com/Genie. Start building your website. Share your experience with us and let us know how it goes. With this, thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Have a good day.